Hi and welcome back. Today we are going to talk about apps and websites that will be paying you money for just watching YouTube videos. And remember, these apps won't turn you to be a millionaire overnight, but with little consistency, you can definitely earn some extra cash to treat for yourself or save for your dreams. Now, these are the best tested apps that are legit and they are paying out money. Now, the first app that pays you money to watch YouTube video is called TubePay. This is the best app that I personally love using in my spare time. And the best part is that anybody can join for free. Now, the only requirement here is that you need to have just a smartphone and a reliable internet connection and some spare time. No college degree that is required on this app. So what you need to do is that you can use the link in the description here to get a sign-up bonus. Or you can head on to Google, then type in TubePay. Then download the app. Once you have downloaded the app, you can create an account with this app using your Gmail account. Then once you have finished signing up, you can start watching videos on this app to earn some extra income. Now, if you want to get some quick bonus, you can use the link here in the description to get a startup bonus. Now, the next app is called PaidWork. This app has got a multiple hustle options. You get paid to watch videos, play games, participating in surveys, and taking micro tasks. PaidWork offers a variety of micro tasks. Now, the cool thing with the PaidWork is that it's flexibility and fun. Choose the activities you enjoy while earning some side cash. The requirement here is just a smartphone. Now, to sign up, you can use your Gmail account to join PaidWork community. And another best thing is that anybody can join this platform and then start earning some cool cash on this app. Now, another app is called Multiply. Now, here you will be paid through watching YouTube videos, completing surveys, and engaging with some ads. And the best part with Multiply is that it has got a lot of micro tasks that you can complete to reach your withdrawal threshold faster. Now, the requirement here is pretty simple, just a smartphone and an reliable internet connection. And no matter where you are in the world, Multiply welcomes you. And this app pays on Thursdays via PayPal, Skrill, and many more popular paying methods. Now, here is a bonus tip. You can combine Multiply with the other platforms for even faster earnings. Now, another popular app or website that you can be paid to watch YouTube videos is called TimesBug. Now, you can join TimesBug for free. And the sky is limit for your earnings. You can play games, watch YouTube videos. And this platform is a legit platform. It has paid a lot of people. So you can use the link in the description to get a sign-up bonus. Now, after you have installed this app in your device, you can use your Gmail address to create an account. Then start watching YouTube videos on this website to be paid. Now, the next website that you can be paid to watch YouTube videos is called Swagbucks.com. So on this Swagbucks.com, anybody can join and then start watching YouTube videos to earn money. And the cool thing is that new videos are added every day, keeping things exciting. And you can be earning points by watching YouTube videos, which can later be redeemed into cash or cool rewards. Now, the best parts, you not only watch YouTube videos, but you can be taking other micro tasks like completing surveys, playing games, installing apps to reach your payout threshold faster. You can then redeem these points into real cash. And if you want to get your first bonus point, you can use the link in the description. The next website that you can watch YouTube videos and get paid is called jumptask.io. Now the best part with the jumpstart.io is that you can join for free, then start earning money straight away by watching YouTube videos. Now the requirement here is pretty simple. It's just a spare time, a smartphone, and a reliable internet connection. You can watch videos, explore surveys, and download apps and other tasks for extra income. And the best part, you can start earning from the comfort of your home. This is about adding extra cash, not getting rich overnight. Now that you know about these awesome apps and websites, it is time to kickstart your side hustle. And here are some ways to maximize your earnings. Diversify your income by joining different websites. And you need to be consistent. The more time you put, the more money you earn. You need also to stay organized, track your progress, and set realistic goals. You need also to have fun. Earning extra cash should be enjoyable. Leave a comment below with any question you have. Remember, these websites are great ways to earn some extra cash without huge time commitment. So what are you waiting for? Start watching, clicking, and earning today. See you until the next time. God bless you. Bye.